So you don't have your math facts memorized and skip counting is still too difficult. No worries, I have a way that's going to improve your speed and your confidence. This episode is only part 1, where I'm going to show you a quicker way to solve multiplication facts where at least one of the numbers is less than 5. In part 2, I'm going to show you an even faster way to solve them when both numbers are greater than 5. Let's get started by drawing it. But here's the key. We need to draw it neatly, yet quickly. I'll demonstrate with a bad example. 7 times 4. A lot of times teachers have kids draw dots, which it's actually a great idea when you are trying to learn the concept of multiplication. It also allows you to draw them neatly. My issue with drawing these dots out once you've learned the concept of how multiplication works is that it just takes too long. Yes, it's neat, but by the time you draw out 28 dots and then you go back and you count 28 dots, you've counted to 28 twice. My other issue with the dots is that students who actually need help with multiplication, they're not as organized with drawing dots. A lot of times when they draw dots, their dots seem to be all over the place. Sometimes their dots are so faint, like, was that even a dot or not? Especially with a pencil, it's hard to tell. And they finish out something looking like this. Then when they go back to count, there's no order. You watch their finger and you watch them pass by this one or this one here. So can it be done? Yes. Is it neat? Yes. But it doesn't pass the speed test. Tally marks are another great way to show multiplication. Drawing these tally marks was much quicker than drawing the dots. And even though it has the potential of being neat and quick, personally, it's not quick enough. And let's go ahead and solve it real quick. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then you can count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 28. So here's how you speed it up. When doing tally marks, every line goes up and down except for one. It goes diagonally. What number goes diagonally? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So think about it. Every time you go diagonally, it means the number 5. So do we actually need these first 4 strokes? Not if you're going for speed. Let me show you what I mean. So here's the quick draw method. I always draw the bigger number first. If I were to draw the 3 and draw that 7 times, I'm basically drawing the dot system. I don't want the dot system. So since we're going to draw the 7 first, 7's greater than 5. We know 5 is that diagonal. Watch how I draw this one. That's 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Here's 4 times 6. I always draw the bigger number. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 9 times 2. I always draw the larger number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 10. We have our 8 ones. 10 and 8 is 18. So let's compare the 3 methods. I'm going to put them on the screen side by side and just watch how the quick draw is faster. Did you see how quick it can be done? Now this will work for all multiplication facts. However, I wouldn't recommend using it for ones like 8 times 8. It will work, but it just won't be as quick as my help in part 2. So thanks again for watching, and remember, keep pushing play.